오늘도 지겨운 일과 일도 재미없어 난 벗어나고 싶어 정말 바쁘게만 살아봤자 알아주는 사람 없잖아 나 휴식이 필요한 것 같아
Cleaning done, cooking done. अब मैं हूँ कैम्ब्रिज अप्रूव्ड ट्रेड वाइफ। वाओ मॉम, क्या लुक है विद एटीट्यूड एंड कितना स्मूथ रोलिंग रेज। आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड। सोच रही हूँ शाम को गेस्ट को मैं भी इम्प्रेस करूँ अपनी कुकिंग स्किल्स से। ज्यादा डिल्लूलू मत हो तू और कुकिंग। व्हाई
Man,
बेटा, ये तो फुल स्किबिडी वाइब्स हो गई।
चाय पियोगी? नहीं मॉम। गाजर का हलवा? नो। बिस्किट? मॉम बस। ये क्या हो गया? अभी तो नॉर्मल थी। सॉरी, आई वॉज क्रैशिंग आउट। गिर गई थी क्या? क्रैशिंग आउट मीन्स जब इमोशंस 0 से 100 हो जाते हैं, छोटी सी बात पर फुल इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट। इंडिया, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान will smash India today. Smash? Indians, your batter got clean bowled in the first over. Dismissed perfectly. You are right. And your other batter staggered by our spinner. Shocked, overwhelmed, fell flat on his face. Face it, our team will hit it out of the park. Will do amazingly well. Better luck next time. Meanwhile, India is celebrating with sixes and Dandiya. I'm with Team India now.
Mom, this new neighbor likes to flex his new car all the time.
का जो हाल है वो तुझे कैसे बयां करे।
Flex means to show off, जैसे आप कर रहे हो अभी।
Feeling nervous? Nervous? I am on cloud 9. नीचे आ जाओ, उड़ते उड़ते गिर मत जाना। It means extremely happy. खुशी के मारे फूले ना समाना। Mom, your ABC achar is bussin. Dustbin? Bussin means too good or super tasty. By the way, Dad, you look handsome today. No cap.
please.
No cap means I'm telling the truth. I'm not lying. सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, पक्की बात। बेटा, हाँ, सुनो ना। वेट, कब से बुला रही हूँ? मॉम, I'm locking in. खुद को लॉक क्यों कर रही हो? Locking in is a slang. It means I am in deep focus mode. एक ही काम पर पूरा concentration. No distraction, no break. You look so tired. Go, hit the sack, Dad.
Oh man.
Okay. Stop it. It means go to sleep or go to bed. This new neighbor's constant peacocking is irritating me. Peacocking? When someone excessively flaunts their appearance or wealth to attract attention. He arrived at the party peacocking in a bright flashy jacket. Can I have some wafers? No, but you don't even eat wafers. I will eat them later. Why are you acting like a dog in the manger? Why are you calling me a dog? Someone who doesn't use something but also won't let others use it. खुद भी नहीं यूज करना है, दूसरों को भी यूज नहीं करने देना है। Dad, I'm sorry. I lost my new iPhone. What? Where? How? That phone cost me an arm and a leg. मुझे लगा सिर्फ किडनी ही देनी पड़ती है. It means it was extremely expensive. I had to spend a lot of money to buy it. Mom, अपने गाजर के हलवे की रेसिपी बताना and please hit the nail on the head. Hit nail head? अभी डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता. It means to say something exactly right or describe a situation perfectly.
Mirinda. Mom, who drank my Sprite? Billo पी गई होगी. Cats don't drink soda. No, that cat is very smart. Billo, here is red herring, a distraction from the real culprit or a false clue meant to mislead.
Look, Mom, I have finished my part of the project. The ball is in your court now. Ball? Court? What do you mean? No, the ball is in your court is an idiom. It means it's your turn or responsibility to take action or make a decision. Yum. कौन छुपा के
Busted!
Dad, that's phantom tax. Oh hello, GST भरा है मैंने पूरा. It means stealing food without asking. Steal नहीं कर रहा था. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, ये सब मेरी रेसिपीज के नीचे only in Ohio क्यों लिखते हैं ऐसे? So weird, it feels unreal, just like your करेले का हलवा. अरे, that's Michelin star recipe.
Oh my god, it's raining cats and dogs.
Oh man.
कौन फेंक रहा है ऊपर से dogs and बिल्लियाँ?
Uh-oh.
Oof, Dad, it means it's raining heavily.
कब से बोल रही हूँ कोई नहीं सुनता. अब रोना बंद कर, परसों एग्जाम है. It's time to bite the bullet. बाइट करने से एग्जाम कैसे क्लियर होगा मॉम? इसका मतलब है कुछ ऐसा डिफिकल्ट, पेनफुल या अनप्लेजेंट काम जो करना जरूरी है बट तुम अवॉइड कर रहे हो. तो कम ऑन, बाइट द बुलेट एंड डू दैट वर्क.
Curiosity killed the cat.
Oh no. Help!
Billo the cat? Who killed Billo?
Gosh.
Who is Curiosity? New neighbor? No, Dad, it doesn't mean the real cat. It means sometimes asking too many questions can get you into trouble. Then in our family, Curiosity would have killed your aunts years ago. I'm late for an important meeting. Yo, Dad, break a leg. What? I just got a new bike. I'm not breaking anything. No, it means good luck. It's an idiom. This English is just like my boss, making simple things complicated.
Why are you hiding your phone? Let the cat out of the bag right now. Why? The cat is asleep, Mom. Okay, Keshav is throwing a surprise party tonight. It means to reveal a secret by mistake. किसी छुपे हुए राज को गलती से या बिना सोचे समझे बता देना. I will buy you a new bike if you score first division in your exams. Don't trust him, bro. He's just dangling the carrot. I don't know what you are talking about. It means tempting someone by offering a reward they may or may not actually get. A house of cards, a fragile or unstable situation that can easily collapse or fail. His plan was a house of cards and failed in one day. A close-fisted person, a miser, conjuse. He is a close-fisted person and doesn't spend money on anyone. Have one's heart in one's mouth. To be extremely frightened and nervous. I had my heart in my mouth before the interview.
Come on, Dad. What's the surprise? Spill the beans.
Hallelujah.
नहीं, मैं नहीं फेंक रही राजमा वाजमा. तुम्हारी मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी.
Oops.
इसी फेंक देते हैं.
Yippee.
No, it means to reveal a secret or give away confidential information.
Wow, this figure looks exactly like Karan Johar. He is the spitting image of the real one. Spitting image means someone looks exactly like another person. Wow, this place is so star-studded. The idiom star-studded means full of famous people. Today, I am rubbing shoulders with famous people. The idiom rubbing shoulders means meeting or mixing with famous people.
Mom, on the Shera, Lord Ram's arrow defeated Ravan. Do you know the idiom straight arrow? No, beta, please don't shoot me. मैं रावण नहीं हूँ. No, Mom. In English, a straight arrow means an honest or a good person. Happy Dashera. Then I am a straight arrow, except when I steal jalebis from the kitchen.